Do you know what? You're nothing if you're not predictable.
Exactly.
Yeah. So you can see our studio.
Initially, I thought it was just a black tackle.
Goes for the ball, but follows through on Phil Foden.
Foden would mean that's not as normal as it may appear.
The Forest players just.
Having got
Quick change, isn't it?
Yeah, it is. Who absolutely managed to get it up.
Post there. Yeah, that's lovely. Because he's got to come back.
He haven't managed to do is score a goal in the first half. They're among the highest first halves.
Genius for frustration because he runs inside.
Some defending for Nunes to do. Takes you back to your brilliant, loved it. Throw in. Okay.
Whipped in with pace,
Not
mate.
clipped to the back post.
Well, either or. Different for some smaller strikers.
Understanding who you're playing against, who's your opponents, and the little
Defenders.
Look how many are in the 6-yard box here.
Where?
Jeremy Doku, that's a good challenge by Williams against Nunes. Nunes half at it. Lenkovic the ball. Every time Murillo. That's a foul on the.
for the teams. I think that's what Pep wants.
Where the Manchester, the corner to Manchester. Diaz, the only City starter today who hasn't scored yet this season. Haaland with and now he's in a race here, and he got there ahead of Nunes. Gibbs White. I must say, I feel
Right.
yeah.
Seeing that occasion,
Yeah.
whoever doesn't get.
Launched forward by Murillo, but that's only to Guardiola, although he's
Headed about doing that. It's an unbelievable thing, that, isn't it? To find a kid
Inside, wasn't he? I think he was trying to hold the line, Chris Wood. And then said,
disagree. Lewis and Mateo Kovacic back to the bench after their warm-up, so City changed speed there from Doku to get away from Anderson, but Forest have got it again now with 11. Feels to me, you know, that
oh, they've got great pace on their side for us.
so Nunes replaced by Rico.